let me share this productivity hack that's going to help you save time. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so I'm all about productivity, saving time, gaining time, and I want to share this one tip with you that I think not many people are doing or that they know about. And that is, whenever you are watching videos, and I'll show you an example, increase the speed at which you are watching the video. So let me show you an example here. I've got this YouTube video here on our channel, and this doesn't have to be just on YouTube videos. In general, when you have video players, they'll have this feature. So I'm not sure if you know, but on YouTube, on any video, if you click the settings button, you click that, and there's going to be playback speed. When you click on that, it's going to show you a range of different speeds. Now, normal speed that it plays is at 1.0. And you can see that there's 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, and 2. Now, how this saves time is it's going to cut down on your actual watching time. So for example, this video is 4 minutes and 44 seconds. If I were to watch this at 2 times the speed, it would be 2 minutes and 22 seconds, literally cutting the time in half. This is a great time-saving hack because let's say you're watching a 30-minute video and you can watch it on 2 times speed. That 30-minute video now becomes 15 minutes, so you've actually given yourself more time. That's how I like to look at it. Now, you do need to get used to this. If you've never done this before and you go to 2 times speed, it's going to be too hard for you to comprehend and it's going to sound too weird for you. What I would suggest is going to 1.25, getting used to that, then going to 1.5 and increasing it until the highest that you can go. Now, I will admit that I hover around 1.5 and 1.75. It depends on the speaker. Some people speak really slowly and you can go 2 times and it will sound normal. Now, like I said, you can do this on other videos too. It doesn't have to just be YouTube videos, wherever there is a video player. So another example here, I've got this video. This is just on, the Windows media player on my computer. I hit the 3 dots. And you can see here, it also has speed. And then you can see they have it a little bit differently. So this goes from 1 to 1.5 and then 2. So everybody displays their time speed a little bit differently. On Audible, for example, you can actually do it very incrementally. You can go 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, because they know people that are listening. We have all different preferences. So they go really incrementally. So I also do this on my Audible books. So when I'm listening to an Audible book, and right now I'm listening to a productivity book called Feel Good Productivity by Ali Abdaal. When I'm listening, there's a speed down at the bottom here, and you can choose your different speeds or you can do it incrementally, like I said. So usually for him, I think I went to 1.2, around 1.3, because he does speak fast sometimes. But in any case, anything above 1, you're gaining time back, you're saving time. So that's my quick productivity hack for you, is whenever you're watching videos, increase the speed at which you're watching it and save/gain time. Now, obviously, I don't do this when I'm watching Netflix. If I'm doing leisurely watching, like shows or movies or things like that, I don't put it on 2 times speed or anything like that, because then it wouldn't be enjoyable. I usually do this when I'm learning something. So that's the productivity hack to save some time. What do you guys think of it? Let me know down in the comments section below, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.